Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. Kids, first we open in colors. Pale blue light color. And the next one is cool gray color. Now we open the color of pale pink color. Pale pink color. The next one is warm gray color. Now we open the color of lavender. Lavender color. Stay with us. Stay with us. Yellow green color. Kids, the next one is deep olive green color. Deep olive green color. And the next one is vivid purple color. Vivid purple color. Coral red color. Stay with us. Coral red color. The next one is mint blue color. Mint blue color. Now we open the color of rose silk color. Stay with us. The next one is cream color. Cream color. Yes, baby blue color. Baby blue color. The next one is black color. Black color. Kids, the next one is Persian blue color. Now we open the color of Persian blue. And the next one is emerald green color. Emerald green color. Stay with us. The next one is geranium color. Yes, geranium color. The next one is light violet color. Light violet color. Pastel pink color. Stay with us. The next one is scarlet color. Scarlet color. Now we open the color of rose pink color. And the next one is, yes, vivid green color. Vivid green color. Stay with us. Yellow color. Yellow color. The last one is forest green color. Forest green color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. So many colors. Forest green color. Today we're writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B, C, D, D for doll, E, and the next one is F, F, G, H, I for eyes, J, K, L, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now we start writing alphabets. Forest green color. First we're using the color of forest green and writing the alphabet of A. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. D. The next one is E. Now we are using the color of geranium. Geranium color. Writing the alphabet of E. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. Mint blue color. Exactly. Writing K. And the next one is L. L for lemon. M. N. The next one is O. O for octopus. P. The next one is Q. Stay with us. The last one is R. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.